SPF, implementing basically a single area OSPF, because we have two types of OSPF. One is single area, the other one is the multi-area OSPF. So later this day, I'm going to explain to you also how both implementation, single area and multi-area OSPF being implemented in Packet Tracer. Okay, so take note of that one. Okay, as soon as we will go back to our usual classes, mag hands-on ta na, and I'm not going to repeat it back. Okay, so automatically hands-on na tada yun. So, okay, group 1, okay, implement the multi-area SPF, okay, so on and so forth. Okay, sige. So I am going to upload here. So ato ning i-kuan, we will try to configure a single area SPF here. So ako sa ning kuan, this is a single area OSPF. Okay, why single area OSPF? Because we are only using single area, or area, whatever number are we going to use. Okay, area number, let's say for example equals to 1, equals to 0, or 1, or 2, or 2, or 3, dot dot dot. Okay, depende sa inyo sa inyong implementation. Pero the best thing there is kinanglan kabalo kita mo and kabalo kita mo implement. And in this implementation, CIDR or any other computation sa atong IP addressing is necessary. Nganong subnetting man ang nindot nga gamiton, kay because when we are going to perform when we are going to perform computation, at least ang ang subnetting contiguous na nga daan, meaning diretso-diretso na. Okay, meaning sa contiguous is the first address has has something to do with the second address, so on and so forth. Sunod-sunod na, contiguous. Okay, so let's try to configure first. Let's try the address 198.15.224.0/22. Okay, so we are going to create how many subnetworks? So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically, we are going to create 8 subnets. So creating 8 subnets requires what? Let's say that is n, that n, I guess dili niyo makita siguro. So we'll pull up notepad. Okay, sa notepad at least makita ni. Okay, let's try to compute for the addresses. Compute for addresses using CIDR. Okay, and the address will be 198.15.224 to create 8 subnets. Why 8? Again, everybody knows why it is 8. Atong i-color, then we'll do this color here. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, select a different color. Okay, it's 5, 6, we have 7, we have 8 network. Okay, so klaro man siguro kaayo, no? So that's why we are going to compute for 8 kabuok na networks. So again, step 1, that would be n dot 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So slash 22 is where? 16 17 17 18 19 20 21 22. So 22 is here. So this way we cannot use all this part here can never be used, diba? Di na siya magamit kari kanina ato magamit. So if we are going to create at least 8 subnets, how many bits are we going to borrow? Bits to borrow is equal to 2 raised to the power of 4, right? 4 bits. So meaning 2 raised to the power of 4. which is 16 minus 2 can give me about 14 subnets, which is equal or greater than our requirement of 8. If we are going to borrow 2 raised to the power of 3, it is not sufficient because it's only 8 minus 2, then you can get only 6, which is not equal or greater than 8. That's false. So we cannot borrow 3. Okay? Can never happen. So, klaro na ni kaayo. Okay? So, let's erase this one. So, in order for us to identify those borrowed bits, so we're going to add, or we're going to highlight the 8 bits that we're going to borrow. It's 1, 2, the 4 bits. Okay, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4. So, meaning, we're going to put a mark here. So, these are our subnets and these are our host. Okay? So that would be fourth step. What would be our subnet mask? Subnet mask. So basically, since we borrowed already 4, so that would be slash 25. So how did we get slash 25? This is 16. This is 8. Then 8. This will be 16 already. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So that is the slash 22. So 22 plus the 4 that we borrowed. Okay, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So basically, this is slash 26. Sakto ba? I don't think so. That's 25. Yan naman. Be? Gituyo to na ko para maglibog mo. Sinasobrahan tagkuan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sobra ta 0 na ay.